I'm Mark Chilero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today I'm sitting behind the wheel of our 1959 Plymouth Suburban Station Wagon that has been fully customized, that I've nicknamed the Ultimate Street Sled. The point of this particular video here was to do a quick demonstration of some of the interior components to show that they're in great working order, take you for a ride around this parking lot here at the Seekonk Speedway in Seekonk, Massachusetts. Today it's pretty cold, it's about 30 degrees, but this thing starts, drives, and runs excellent. So again, I'll go ahead and start this presentation. You can see, flip of the key, starts right up, it purrs like a kitten. One of the advantages of this particular motor here, I'll start with this window. You can see how nice this window goes up, how fast it went up, and how tight it actually locks up in there, so you don't get any wind noise when you're driving. I have to say the interior cabin space of this car is extremely quiet. Over on this side, we have the lights. I know you can't really see in this video, but the headlights do work, and this lights up green. All of this is in working order here regarding all the lights. I mentioned in our other video that you have to watch. You can check that out at msclassiccars.com. We have this dome light here, which actually works as well. You can see that. That's a manual dome light. The horn works great. Super loud. The directionals are in working order. We got the left side. We got the right side. Again, we've completely serviced this car at MS Classic Cars. We invested over $7,000 in this vehicle, making sure that everything was sorted out. We've got a working fuel gauge. That was one of the things that we had to service and repair when we got the vehicle. Although it only had a few miles on it, it still had to be sorted out. The temperature gauge, you can see, is clearly working beautifully. I believe the mileage on there, 99,576, is original. That's undocumented, so I don't want to make any false claims, but that's believed to be the original miles the car had. In regards to the heating system here, you can push this in, turn this on. You probably can't hear that, but the fans are actually working. We got high, we got low, we got off. So again, the heat in this car works great. The windshield wipers also work really nice. You can see how they work. When you hit the button, they park super nice as well. And this radio, which is an AM radio, it does work. I'll go ahead and try to find a station here. I was just playing it a minute ago. Let's see. Get lucky here. I'll try it again. Oh, there we go.
The socialists have always...
So you can hear it. Again, it's an AM radio. The antenna, as you notice on the outside, is in the down position. It does open up a lot taller than what you see there. But again, this is an AM radio. It's original. Nothing that I would like to brag about by any means. But that's pretty much everything in the interior. It's in beautiful order. The rear seat does go down really nice. Again, I've been driving this around here, making a few. So we're going to take it for a ride around the Seekonk Speedway parking lot here. This is a great parking lot to demonstrate test drives in vehicles because there's no traffic to worry about. This road's got a lot of brakes in it, potholes and so forth, and you can hear how this vehicle's got absolutely no rattles. Really drives beautiful for a wagon. You wouldn't think something of this size would be as comfortable as what it is, but it's actually really comfortable. Because this is a 3-speed transmission, the gears are pretty low, so you can really drive at pretty good pace. Like right now I'm in first gear, I haven't even shifted it yet. We're picking up some good speed here. So you can see I just went to second gear. It's got plenty of room left in second. This parking lot's actually too small for third gear. It does shift into third gear beautifully. I'll show you that in a second. But you can see how quiet this is. When you want to get on the gas a little bit, you can easily downshift it to first gear, just like I did. It shifts like it should. Again, very nice. After my mechanics had worked on this car and did all the service work, they made a comment on how awesome this thing felt going down the road. It just really does everything it's supposed to. Super fun. You can hear there's no rattles, nothing to speak of. Again, I'm going to downshift it on the fly in first gear. shifts beautifully. The clutch works great. It's got plenty of power. What I'll do here is make my way up to the top. I'll roll the window down so you can actually hear the exhaust system. I'll get on it once. This isn't a fast car by any means, but it's got that nice sound of the Cherry Bomb exhaust. Again, I'm still in first gear. You can see how long you can drive it in first gear. It's got that B-body open rear end. So here we go. Nice shift, nice sound. I'll do it one more time when I come out of this corner. Appreciate the Seekonk Speedway letting us use this parking lot to do these driving videos. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. We sure did. This is definitely a vehicle that will put a smile on your face. I'll come down here to a stop. Show you how nicely the brakes work. It's got disc brake conversion. It stops really nice. Look at this. I'm not even barely putting my foot on the pedal. It stopped really nice. Smooth clutch, transmission smooth, goes into reverse very smooth. Just absolutely beautiful vehicle to operate. We appreciate you watching this. Thank you so much. As I mentioned earlier, it's pretty cold out. It's only like 30 degrees. We're about to get a snowstorm. Just wanted to get this video done today before we got hammered with the weather. Boogies. Woo! Hear that nice exhaust system? There's third gear. Here we are at the dealership.